Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Today I am going to show you how to make some strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid pops. If you saw my mangoneada pop video, you will know that I like to discuss the health benefits of all the ingredients I'm using. In this case, we will be discussing the health benefits of strawberries, kiwis, and limes. First thing is first, you need to make sure you thoroughly wash your fruit. Even though we do not eat the outside of the kiwi, I like to make sure I wash it as well. Making this for my family means very much to me because, as the majority of my food videos say, it always comes to an origin of my childhood. In this case, every summer, my mom would make me some strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid pops, but she would put them in little ice cubes, and she would give them to me and all of my friends from the block in a little napkin, and that is how we would stay nice, cool, and refreshed. It was only a few days ago when my daughter and I were at the grocery store and she saw Kool-Aid packets. I usually never buy Kool-Aid packets, but she was very intrigued by the colors. And out of all of the packets to choose from, she got the strawberry kiwi one. I immediately got very excited and grabbed it and decided to make her the exact same thing that my mom used to make, but with some fresh fruit in it to give it color and some nutrients. So I got one strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid pack and I emptied it into a large cup. To give it as much flavor as possible, I emptied the entire Kool-Aid packet. Next, I add the water. The color is just as beautiful and vibrant as I remember. Next, you add your sweetener of choice. In my case, I use traditional granulated sugar. Now, the next part is up to you. You can add as much or as little sweetener as you'd like. In my case, I added 3 tablespoonfuls. Kiwis are a nutrient-dense food. They are rich in nutrients and low in calories. Kiwi has a reputation as a health food because it is high in vitamin C content, but the fruit is also rich in other nutrients. Some of the health benefits include protecting your cardiovascular system, managing blood pressure, protects respiratory system, and provides digestive enzymes. It is also known to help prevent cancer, protect your eyes, be high in fiber, remove excess sodium, and support pregnancy. Some of the many health benefits of strawberries include being packed with antioxidants, help prevent colds and flus, being great for your heart, help you lose weight, lower cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. It is also known to help reduce wrinkles, lower blood pressure, and improve hair health. Some of the many health benefits that limes include are they are rich in alkaline, antioxidant loaded, promotes healing, aids in digestion, relieves constipation and inflammation. It is also known to help slow aging and rejuvenate the skin, boost metabolism, help detoxify the blood, promotes in fat burning, therefore aiding in weight loss. Though Kool-Aid should not be made a regular treat, here are just a few health benefits that it has. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, aids in energy production, promotes formation of red blood cells, helps regulate thyroid activity in the body, boosts mineral absorption in the body, and ensures proper growth of organs and the nervous system. It is also known to aid in fetal development and help with maintaining healthy skin and eyes. Just a touch of vitamin C is also known to be in Kool-Aid. Some of the many health benefits of vitamin C include preventing and treating common cold, help the absorption of iron, relieves stress and depression, and is essential for the body to make collagen.